Ready to step into the river of abundance? Stop chasing and start attracting. Listen to the full 15-minute prosperity practice to rewire your mindset and become a true money magnet.
Using affirmations for success and prosperity involves visualizing the outcome you want. When you visualize your goal as if it's already done, it's easier to take actions that align with your goals. Dear ones, affirmations can indeed help you attract and manifest money and success into your life. The key is to shift your mentality and allow the abundance of the universe to flow to you. When you repeat affirmations that are focused on abundance and prosperity on a regular basis, you are sending out a message to the universe. These affirmations will help you connect with the emotions associated with your desires. So when I say the affirmations, see yourself in that picture as it's happening right now. These affirmations are designed to encourage positive thinking by reframing negative thought patterns. By repeating positive affirmations consistently, you will replace self-limiting or negative beliefs with more empowering ones. If you're ready to break this pattern, you're in the right place. Now, let's begin. I am open to receiving all the prosperity the universe has to offer. My belief in myself and my abilities is unwavering. Success is a journey, and I embrace it every step of the way. Every day, I'm moving closer to financial freedom. Wealth is a river that constantly flows into my life. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I create the wealth I desire. Financial success is a natural extension of who I am. I'm a powerful and confident creator of wealth. I am constantly attracting opportunities for prosperity and success. I am grateful for the prosperity and success that I already have. I am open to learning and growing in my financial journey. I am living my life to the fullest. I'm financially secure and stable. I am a money magnet. I'm financially free and empowered. I am living the life of my dreams. I'm a powerful creator of my own reality. And I choose to create a reality of prosperity and success. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. The universe provides for all my financial needs. I attract wealth and opportunities effortlessly. I am worthy of all the riches life has to offer. I am a magnet for money, and I am attracting it into my life with every breath I take. I am destined for success, and I am on the path to achieving it. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth. I am a visionary who attracts prosperity and success through my creative ideas and solutions. My prosperity mindset attracts endless opportunities. I am a divine expression of abundance, radiating prosperity from within. Every day I am closer to my financial goals. Prosperity flows to me from all directions. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am a powerful and confident creator of wealth. I am destined for success, and I am on the path to achieving it. I am worthy of all the success that comes my way. I am in control of my own destiny, and I choose success and opportunity. I trust in my ability to overcome any obstacle on my path to success. My success is a reflection of my commitment and hard work. I visualize my success and make it a reality. I'm living my life to the fullest, embracing every moment with joy, gratitude, and abundance. I am living the life of my dreams, where prosperity and success are the foundations of my reality. I deserve to be financially abundant and successful. I radiate confidence in my abilities. I have unlimited potential for success. I let go of all my self-doubt. I embrace myself. I am a beacon of positivity and achievement. I celebrate my success every day. I enjoy every step of my journey to success. I am a shining example of what is possible. Success follows me wherever I go. I am open to receiving all the abundance that the universe has to offer. My life is filled with financial opportunities and blessings. I receive money from expected and unexpected sources. The ability to earn money empowers me to live a fulfilling life. The life I lead is abundant and financially free. I attract the right people and opportunities to help me succeed. My wealth grows as I continue to believe in my financial success. I have the power to create the life of my dreams through my actions. Success is destined for me, and I am on my way to achieving it. I'm open to receiving unlimited wealth and abundance. My income is constantly increasing. I am in control of my financial destiny. Money is a tool that empowers me to live a fulfilling life. I am constantly raising my financial vibration and attracting more money. I have the power to create the life of my dreams. I am destined for success, and I am on the path to achieving it. I am the creator of my success. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. I change the world with my money. I get rich doing what I love. The universe will always serve my best interests. My dear ones, I would like to remind you about all of the immense power that you hold within yourselves. Keep in mind that affirmations are most effective when they are met with strong actions and a clear plan. Start using these positive affirmations in your daily lives and embrace the power of your thoughts in creating the life you desire. Let your life be a masterpiece, a reflection of your inner light and the love you have for yourself. Thank you for being with me on this empowering journey. May your life be filled with joy, success, and happiness.